Are your friends here? Yeah, there they are. You tell them. Hi, friend. There's another friend. Oh, 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 golly. Well, isn't that interesting? He's actually biting the back of her head. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's great. Can't really see. Oh, well, y'all can imagine what they're doing. Or trying to do. There's another one back there. There's Funny Face. He's my favorite. Hi, Funny Face. Because, I don't know if you can tell, but his coloring is really special. And Claudia's getting mad. Are they still humping? Are they? Oh gosh, yes. Wow. That is... Oh! Oh my goodness. Wow. That is just crazy. Hello, kitties. Man. Uh-huh. Well, hi. How is everybody? There's Daphne. Oh, Daphne says hello to the kitties. Hello. Man. 4 cats. 2 of them getting busy. Oh, we just lost one. One's escaped. 2 escaped. Now we're just left with the Humper and Funny Face. The Humper's getting ready to leave. Oh, Humper's looking at Funny Face. Oh boy, Funny Face, watch out. Yep. This one's back on the table. I know, Claudia. Mama will shoo them away, but I'm gonna record them a bit. Yep. So yes, the cat patio.